Now, is this more painful than usual, or does it always get this painful when it gets thick?
It's this, well, I haven't been back to see you guys. I've been putting it off because of my daughter's, I've been a caretaker
Okay.
at home for other things. And I haven't had a chance to really get back.
Yeah, you sometimes take care of yourself last, don't you?
Yes. Now, underneath, is that a callus underneath?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both just little thickened plugs of skin.
That one that's got kind of a, a point in it.
Yeah, that's the one I'm working on right now.
Is that sore? I guess so.
I was gonna say, you're asking me? Yes, I think it was. I think it's what had you call 2 hours ago and say, I need to be seen today.
Oh.
But yeah, so I can dig out the little core there. It'll come back.
Well, I know.
You know.
I know.
So-
No, what is sore is that thing on the edge. That big one that runs down the side of the foot.
Okay, I see that. All right, let me get this one first, and then I'll get to that one on the side there.
Yeah, yeah.
Camera's not focusing super great right now.
You're too close.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay. That angle was a little hard, I think.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's a lot better. Sorry about that.
No, that's okay. I can just.
What if I wiggle my toes?
Will it make the camera focus better?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna have you turn your foot a little bit. This is the one that was really killing you?
Yeah,
That had you call in?
yes,
Okay.
I got it. Help, help.
Oh.
And that was really nice that you guys could take me on the same day.
Well, you know, if I can, I will. If I can't, I'll tell you that.
Well, I know that, but
So,
it was really nice. Of course, it seemed like, like you said, you were the only one in the office.
right now, yeah.
Well, at lunchtime, so they all ditched you. Sounds like.
No, they worked into their lunch hour, so I covered the phones.
Oh,
Well, they actually went and had
well,
lunch,
you
so.
know, I'm very glad you did.
Okay, so how is it?
Oh,
That's still pretty sore right up here?
yeah.
Hmm. That's a kind of a tough spot.
Yeah.
Did you say you were on vacation somewhere?
Am I?
Were you?
No.
Oh, you weren't.
I wish I was. You know, my daughter's been having a lot of medical problems. So I've been kind of the caretaker,
Hmm.
driving her to the doctor. She's now on an oxygen, 100%, so
Mm-hmm.
we gotta drag that thing around.
Does that feel better now?
Yeah,
Okay. And this one feels better?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Am I missing any?
I don't know. I can't see.
No, but you can feel. So this one and this one were the ones that were hurting quite a bit. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we're done. Okay, thank you.